Fields and subfield of human geography, fields of human geography, social geography, urban geography, political geography, population geography, settlement geography, economic geography. Subfield of social geography, behavioral geography, geography of social well-being, geography of leisure, cultural geography, gender geography, historical geography, medical geography. Social geography. Social geography is the branch of human geography that is most closely related to social theory in general and sociology in particular, dealing with the relation of social phenomena and its spatial components. Behavioral geography. Behavioral geography focus on the cognitive process underlying spatial reasoning, decision making and behavior. Geography of social well-being is defined as the condition in which needs and wants of a given population are satisfied. Geography of leisure study the relationship between leisure and other social practices and behaviors related to human movement. Cultural geography is the study of the many cultural aspects found through the world. Gender geography seeks to analyze how gendered social processes are linked to space, place, and scale. Historical geography is the branch of geography that studies the ways in which geographic phenomena have changed over time. Medical geography is the concern with the analysis of spatial patterns of disease and healthcare provision. Urban geography is the branch of human geography concerned with various aspects of cities. Political geography is the branch of geography that deals with the boundaries, divisions, and possessions of a state. Subfield of political geography, electoral geography, and military geography. Electoral geography is the study and analysis of the geographical patterns of election, referenda, and legislative votes. Population geography is the division of human geography. It is the study of the ways in which spatial variation in the distribution, composition, migration, and growth of population are related to the nature of places. Settlement geography is the study of human land, water, and resource use, population density pattern, and settlement growth. Economic geography is the study of spatial variation of human economic activities. Subfield of economic geography, geography of resource, geography of agriculture, geography of industries, geography of marketing, geography of tourism, geography of international trade. Geography of resource is the study of spatial variation in the physical stuff with regard to their appraisal by humans. Agriculture geography is concerned with the spatial relationship found between agriculture and humans. Geography of industries deals with the location of industries, the geographic factors that influence their location and development, the raw materials used in them, and the distribution of their finished product. Geography of marketing uses geolocation in the process of planning and implementation of marketing activities. Geography of tourism is the study of travel and tourism as an industry and as a social and cultural activity. Geography of international trade is the exchange of goods and services among countries across nation borders.